Jon Purdey from Edge Mortgages, edgemortgages.co.nz. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about getting a mortgage through a mortgage broker and why that's a good idea. First of all, banks are not as loyal as you are. You may have often people save and bank with a bank from day one, and they expect when they come to get a loan from that bank that the bank's going to be as loyal to them as they have been to the bank. Not always the case, and not always the case because every bank has different criteria, and it may well be that your particular stage in life, it may be that you're self-employed instead of being salaried, or you have 3 rental properties instead of just having one owner-occupied. That may not tie in with what that particular bank is looking at any stage. And every bank also has different amounts that they will lend against income. And I've had occasions with clients of mine where one bank on the same day, given exactly the same situation, will lend tens or hundreds of thousands more to that client than their own bank. So what a mortgage broker does and has the ability to do is look over all of the bank servicing criteria and find out exactly how much you can borrow, and the most you can borrow from any one of those particular banks. So that's a very important point. Mortgage brokers also give you your best chance of approval. They know how to present a deal. It's not about withholding information from the bank, but it's about presenting that information in the best possible light, and a mortgage broker knows how to do that. So effectively, our job is to gather up all of the required information. The requirements from banks change all the time, often weekly, and we keep up to date with what those requirements are. We present the deal to the bank with a little bow tied around it, and from there help you through the approval process, right from the gathering of the initial information all the way through to settlement and beyond. And that's an important point to make too. A good mortgage broker will actually be with you through the good times and through the bad times. Different people have different things that they want to achieve. Some people want to get into their own home, and that's where it stops. But often people want to build property portfolios, and the benefit of having all of your financial information in one place at one time with a mortgage broker is brilliant, because you may well have 3 properties with one bank, 2 properties with another property with another lender, and having that information all in one place is not necessarily with all with one bank. It's just with the mortgage broker. And so when you go to get another property or another loan with another lender, all that information is there at their fingertips. And one of the important things is that ongoing relationship. There will always be issues with the banks. We see a lot of those issues in the news, and a mortgage broker is another advocate for you. So it's not just you against the bank. The mortgage broker is there to support you in what you want to achieve with that bank and help you through any issues as well. And also in the ongoing negotiation of interest rates and fees, a mortgage broker should be there to help you out with them, and also negotiate lower interest rates and money towards legal costs on day one when you're getting the loan for that first property. And generally, if it's a standard residential deal, there is no charge for clients to come through a mortgage broker. So it makes sense. It's one of the few professions where you get something, if you like, for nothing. So you get all that professional knowledge, you get all that professional help, again for no cost, because at this stage the banks help pay for the mortgage broker's time because they're doing a favour for them. So more than happy to talk to any new clients. If you would like to get in contact with me, please email me at Jon@edgemortgages. That's Jon without an H.